Remarkable Lifers, this is Craig. So today we are going to go out and about in Ajijic and we're going to take you with us. We're going to check out a wonderful brunch at a little local bar and pub here called Kola Deayo. And then we're going to hit the Malecon for the Coffee, Chocolate, and Wine Festival. So it's a beautiful day in Ajijic, so come along.
Okay, let's go check out Brunch.
Hey look, I know those people.
Hi, KJ.
No, I said say hi, comma KJ.
Oh, hi.
Chilaquiles, burrito, omelette. How was breakfast?
Brunch was delicious. I had a burrito. It was wonderful. It had ham in it. They like panini'd it, so it was a little bit crispy on the outside. It was delicious. How was your omelet?
It was really good. I had like ham, bacon, cheese omelet, and they actually like really loaded it up. I was impressed. So
Yeah,
and everybody was drinking mimosas. And
yeah, well, and the cool thing is they have a non-alcoholic option and they have an alcoholic option which has bottomless mimosas and all that sort of stuff. Craig and I had the non-alcoholic option, and so you get like coffee and juice with your entree and stuff. And I mean, I'm full. I'm not crazy stuffed and miserable. I'm just satiated.
And there's lots of nice people there.
Yeah.
So.
Oh yeah, tons of nice people.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. We're headed down to the Coffee, Chocolate, and Wine Festival. We're gonna walk. So this was fun. So we were walking down Cologne and we ran into a couple of folks who are subscribers. So we wanted to just say shout out to Doug and Chad, and it was great to talk to you. We hope we get to see you again, as well as, I believe your name was Jonathan. KJ got to talk to you more than I did. Sorry, but what a nice thing to just be recognized and somebody says something nice. And I mean, when does that happen? It's really nice. It starts to get a little busier down this way towards the Malecon. That's because there's a festival down here. So we had to walk because parking is not good. The lake is high, so there's a parking lot down here, but it's full of water. So we walk.
I just stopped.
It is Sunday at the Malecon, and today is the chocolate and what is it? Chocolate, coffee and wine. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. But they also have another little side market here. Lots of people.
Yeah, this is the kiosk where you can get the boat tickets for the boat ride that we took in our last video just a few days ago. Go check that one out.
Gracias. We have a giant water, or a giant bottle here. All kinds of different products. Candies. And it's a beautiful day on the lake. And look how far down this goes. I'll show you another view. So let's take a view from a boat just a couple days ago of them setting this up. It's really interesting to see how long this thing really is.
No. We didn't, but...
Here, This chocolate is amazing. I've seen this before. Hola. Ah, sí, café y cacahuates. Beautiful baskets, las canastas. Coffee. Oh. Smart. So many different types of coffee. So many different types of coffee. It smells amazing. Yes, sí. Gracias. Mole. So this is how mole is sold.
That mole is delicious, by the way. That mole is delicious. Yeah.
Crema de cacahuate, almendra especial, manzana, negro, piñón, arándanos, frutas, piñole verde, casero. Oh my gosh, so much. Great little scene. Really cool. Little sand art. Ah, que bonita.
So Mercado Libre here in Mexico, it's like Amazon, but you get all kinds of different things on there and everything. But here you can see the sign, so you can actually order this wine and whatever they're selling here.
Yeah. Wow. This is bigger than it was last year. It's much bigger than it was a couple of years ago. They actually have the center aisle now completely full. Look at this. Love it. With food and housewares. We got somebody cooking over here. Different kinds of places. And then there's a whole cafeteria or restaurant there. Grilling a pig. A whole pig. Yum.
And you can get the chocolate skull.
Hola, amigo. The wines. We're in the wine section now. Sangria. Portugal. Sí.
Oh my gosh. So it's so much bigger than the last time we were here, which was a couple of years ago. And they have cheeses and wines and chocolates and teas and tequilas. And there's housewares over there. You can get pots. You can get part of a roasted pig. I mean, you can, this is honestly one of those day-long events you can come to and eat and drink and just have a really good time. It's a really fun, very social atmosphere. You run into everybody in the village apparently is here. Yeah, so and it's on beautiful Lake Chapala. I mean, the views and everything, it's just beautiful. It's amazing. You're having me walk off in the lake, aren't you?
Yes, jump. Don't do that. Beautiful displays. He's cute.
This is like really beautiful.
It is. It's kinetic art. Kinetic sculpture. Beautiful. Let's show everybody who made it. There you go. Okay. That's wonderful. They are making pastor, I believe, because you can see the pineapple, which then roasts and drips in with everything, and then they chop it up and put it into the pork. So that will be so delicious. Let's tell everybody who they are. Hi, Gary.
Shout out to Gary and Hugo. Glad you guys are here.
Met several folks along the way, and I cannot begin to even list them all. So if you ran into us today, thank you so much for saying hi. It really makes us feel good to know that we did whatever we're doing here that we love to do is helping you. So thank you. Anes, empanadas. Digging in.
Oh, gracias.
Gracias. It's a party atmosphere, folks. Wine classes.
De los festivales y de las redes sociales es como nuestro público cada vez más se vuelve más profesional y por ende quisiera dirigir una cata lo más profesional posible.
And Sundays are usually family day here at the Malecon, and actually it still is.
Gran Carac, Bodega Maromache.
Look at that, so much stuff. All those mugs, so pretty. So that was the Coffee, Chocolate, and Wine Festival here in Ajijic. What'd you think?
It was fantastic. Lots of freebies, samples, all that kind of stuff. I mean, it's wonderful.
Yeah, and lots of great products and stuff that you don't see. Mexico has so many good wines and so much delicious food, and you get a little bit of a taste of all of it here, and it's amazing.
But it's always better to enjoy it in person. So come down.
Come visit
and
us.
Enjoy it.
Yes. It's usually in January. Check your dates online for the future, but it's worth it, let me tell you. A note is if you're coming here, I would suggest parking either in Centro or taking a cab or calling one of the services around here. Reach out to us. We have a private driver that does things. But you can definitely get a ride down here with friends, carpool, but you're going to end up having to walk a few blocks right now because there's so many people in town. So I think you won't mind. It's worth it. And you get to do this. You get to walk through this. Oh, we almost forgot the most important thing. Is if you haven't already,
Go find your truly remarkable life.
have a good day, guys.
Bye.